Why your business isn't thriving. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that might hit you close to home. You all know the topic, right? If you've ever wondered why your hard work isn't yielding the result you desire, stay tuned. The answer might surprise you. My name is Ajosi Esura, popularly known as the Sales Catalyst. I'm a copywriter, sales and marketing specialist. I've helped businesses craft copy that sells, and now I'm here to teach you how to boost your sales and marketing work for you. Without no further ado, let's get into it. The first thing why your business isn't thriving is undefined goals. Imagine sailing without a destination, without clear goals. Your business lacks direction. This happens to many business owners and it's needed to attend to. For instance, now you have a business and you don't have a plan for it. You don't know where this thing is going, how it's going to end, something like this needs to attend to. Now, the solution to these undefined goals are: the first one is be specific about your goals. Once you are specific about the goals, your goals will know your target audience, and this clarity will give you your actions and decisions. The second one is ignoring customer needs. Now let me ask you this question: are you offering what your customer truly wants, or you're just doing what you feel like doing? Neglecting their needs can lead to a dwelling of sales. Now, the solution to this problem is by engaging with your customers, knowing what they want, how they want it, and how it makes them feel when buying your product. Now, seeking feedback and tailor your products or services accordingly. It helps in business. The third one is resistance to change. Yes, this is very important. Clinging to old ways in a fast evolving market can leave you behind. When you see that, okay, this strategy you are using is not working again, this is what they are using, and you decide not to change, this thing is going to affect your business, trust me. So the solution to this resistance to change are: stay adaptable. Stay adaptable, guys. Please stay adaptable. I repeat, embrace new technology and be open to change. Yes, be open to change. Now, another important thing is poor financial management. Now, if your mind is not here, please call it back and listen to this. Overspending or not tracking expenses can drain your resources. Absolutely, it can drain your resources. Now, imagine a business owner who uses all his profit to furnish his shop, whereas the customer keep complaining about the packaging, which means their packaging is very poor. Now, this is where poor financial management plugs in. By the time this man try to, work on the packaging, there won't be sufficient fund for it, which is why it is good to work on overspending of money. Now, this is where the solution plugs in. By maintaining a strict budget, for instance, okay, this new profit I'm making is for packaging, okay, the next profit is for furnishing, and so on like that. Make your budget strict, and also by monitoring your finance regularly to ensure stability. Okay, this is the amount of money that went out, this is the amount of money that plugs in. And the fifth one is weak online presence. In this digital world we are today, lacking an online presence means missing out on a vast audience. Yes, and the solution to it is by building friendly websites and engage on social media platforms to reach more customers. Yes, like for instance, you have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all socials. Let the world know what you are selling and how it benefits them. Now, knowing this problem and solutions that affect why your business isn't thriving, you can steer your business towards the success you've been aiming for. If this resonates with you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insight, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.